Some of the key points about the Air is all the components are designed in such a way where they have multiple functions. By making sure each little bit does more than one thing, helps us reduce the weight, it increases performance, and a whole heap of other benefits. So the handle is not only the handle for the machine, but it also comes away and becomes the wand. The handle, as part of the wand, has lots of different positions, so it accommodates different heights of people or different ways of using the wand. That then attaches back into the machine very easily. It's a single-handed operation. You can just remove it very easily. You can put it back in very easily, so usability is the most important thing here. It uses a multi-cyclone system for separating the dirt from the air. And what that essentially means is there's a first stage cyclone which separates the big bits out of the air, and that all collects here. And then up in this area there's lots of smaller cyclones, and they throw all the tiny little particles of dirt out of the air, and that again collects on the bottom. It all empties very easily and convenient. The whole thing comes apart without the need for using tools to clean this very quickly, very easily, and goes together nice and simply as well. Some of the other areas are the brush bar. This is what does all the work. It captures all dirt from the carpet. It does it does all the work down there basically. So that's very important. In order to make that work properly, we needed to have a separate motor to run the brush bar and a separate motor to power the actual suction. The nozzle also does something really interesting. It's got a little PCB in there, it's got some electronics and some lights, and the lights tell you how the vacuum cleaner is feeling. So it's green if things are going well, it flashes red if there's a blockage in the brush bar, and so on and so forth. So it's very nice, it kind of talks to you, it gives you some feedback. And then one of the most critical components is between the motor and the nozzle is this yoke component. This essentially takes all the weight for the machine. It acts as a pivot, and it's probably one of the most critical features because it's also the inlet path for the air to the motor as well. So lots and lots of functions in this component, and that's really the key to making this a real success. There was a lot of work went into that. The product's been a very big success. There's no compromises on performance. It's a great looking machine, and it's incredibly lightweight. It's the lightest in the world. Everyone seems to be buying into that. There's a huge number of reviews out there which show how great everybody likes this product. Where we take it from here is a very interesting story. There's so many other avenues, so many things that we can try with it, but mostly it's about getting that feedback from the market. What do people actually want? And once we understand what people want, then we can go about designing to fulfill their needs.